A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about chapter number 10, but today we will discuss about chapter number 11, Women Stalwarts of India. Women Stalwarts of India. Okay students, identify the following women with the help of clue box. Identify the following women with the help of clue box given below. According to clue box given in your book, students, according to clue box we will write the different types of name in a particular space. These are all names in a particular space, okay, according to clue box. Okay students, first is Arunima Sinha, Mother Teresa, Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi, M. Fatima Bibi, Roshni Sharma, Pratibha Patil, Mithali Raj and Kiran Bedi. Okay students, these are all names we will write in a particular space according to the clue box. Okay, clue box given in your book. So students, let's see your book. So let's see students, Women Stalwarts of India. First of all, identify the following women with the help of clue box given below. Okay, according to clue box we will write here the name of woman in a particular space. Okay, she became the first Indian female. She became the first Indian female physician in the year 1887. She was also the first Indian woman who was trained in Western medicine and the first woman to travel to the United States of America. So students, you will write here Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. Okay, she is Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. You will write here Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi. Now second is she joined Indian Police Service, IPS. You know IPS, first IPS lady in 1972 and became the first woman officer in India. Moreover, later in 2003 she became the first woman who was appointed as the United Nations Civil Police Advisor. Okay, so students, all of you know about this. Says Kiran Bedi. Okay, says Kiran Bedi. Okay students, you will write here Kiran Bedi. Now third, she is the first female amputee. She is the first female amputee and also the first Indian to climb the Mount Everest. Okay, climb the Mount Everest. She was a national level volleyball player too. Okay, she was a national level volleyball player too. She was pushed from a running train by Thews in 2011. Trained by Thews in 2011 as she was resisting them. So students, says Arunima Sinha. Okay, you will write here Arunima Sinha. Okay, students, Now fourth is, you know about this, okay, all of you. She became the first Indian woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize, okay, Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. She founded many missionaries of charity, a Roman Catholic religious congregation, okay, giving her life to social work, okay, giving her life to social work. You know that, you know about this Mother Teresa, okay, you know about Mother Teresa, okay, you will write here Mother Teresa, okay students. Now next, fifth is, she became the first woman, president of India. All of you know about, okay, she becomes first woman president of India and held office from July 2007 to July 2012. She was an Indian lawyer and politician who served the country from the year 2007 to 2012. So students, she is Pratibha Patil, okay, you will write here Pratibha Patil, you will write here. Now 6 is here, she was the first Indian woman cricketer to score a double century in a test cricket, okay, double century in a test cricket, 214, okay, against New Zealand at Wellington 2004. She was the first to achieve this landmark in India, So says Mithali Raj, you will write here Mithali Raj, okay students, Mithali Raj. Now seventh is, clue box here, she became the first female judge to the appointed in the Supreme Court of India in 1989. On her retirement from the court, she served as a member of the National Human Rights Commission, okay, National Human Rights Commission. So students, says M. Fatima Bibi, you will write here M. Fatima Bibi, okay. Now last one, 8, she recently became the first Indian woman to ride, okay, she recently became the first Indian woman to ride a motorbike from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. She is a travel freak, adrenaline junkie, okay, adrenaline junkie, and an ardent biker, okay, ardent motor biker. So students, you will write here Roshni Sharma, okay, you will write here Roshni Sharma, okay students. So these are all women's stalwarts of India, they are all women stalwarts of India, okay students. So thank you, very thank you. In next video we will discuss about next chapter, okay.